Hello, it's Wednesday the 5th of October 2011 and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The US dollar fell against most major currencies after Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke stated that the central bank is ready to do more to boost the economy. It's important to remember that Bernanke is struggling to find ways to reduce unemployment stuck at 9% and avert a second recession in 3 years after deploying unconventional stimulus tools. The US dollar fell despite speculation that mounting debt concerns and signs of economic slowdown will compel the European Central Bank to increase monetary stimulus at its meeting today. Wall Street closed positive as the Nasdaq rose by 2.95% and the Dow added 1.44% to its value. Crude oil closed at $77.70 a barrel and gold closed at $1,630 an ounce. The euro rose for the 8th month low versus the dollar after Fed Reserve Chairman Bernanke's speech and speculation Europe will recapitalize its banks to tame a debt crisis that threatens to curb economic growth. Italy's credit rating was cut for the first time in almost 2 decades on concern the government will struggle to reduce the region's second largest debt amid chronically weak growth. Trading below the resistance level of 134.80 will keep the momentum of the pair negative, but if the pair breaks above this level it may reach 140.60 again. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 131.44 and a high of 133.68. Retail sales are expected today to decline by minus 0.20% versus 0.30% previously. The British pound strengthened against the greenback as the euro region debt crisis stoked demand for comparatively safer assets, and investors added to bets the Bank of England will announce further monetary stimulus to revive the economy tomorrow. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 154.20 and a high of 155.82. Today, current account is expected to decline by minus 10.4 billion versus minus 9.4 billion previously. And services PMI is expected to show 50.6 versus 51.5 previously. And final GDP is expected to grow by 0.2% as previously. The US dollar traded unchanged against the Japanese yen after the pair failed to break its resistance level of 77. Technically trading below the 76.80 level will keep the trend bearish and the pair may test its support of 76.30. Today, no economic data is expected. The Canadian dollar fell over concerns the global economy is weakening after Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke said the US central bank stand ready to take additional steps to boost growth. The trend for the pair will continue to be bullish if the pair maintains its support level of 103.50. Today, no economic data is expected. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank for simple, safe, secure trading.